Some people ask me how to create this 3D effect sport poster in Canva. So now let's make it. Open your Canva, go to social media, or you can choose your own project size. I will choose Instagram post. First is change the background color. If you use bright color on your text, on your number, so choose the dark background color. I will change it to black. And then type the text, type the number, change the number font to a tall font like Antonio, and choose the thickness. I will choose bold, and then increase the size. Okay. Now add a full body photo of the player. I have generated some player photo here using the Canva AI. I will choose this one, remove the background. I will increase the size like this, and then right click, layer, and send to back. Duplicate, place the duplicate right on the origin, and then crop it so the left hand will look like behind the text or the number. And then I will also move the leg, this left leg, to the back, so I will crop it here. But it looks unnormally, right? So I will duplicate again this last photo and place right on the origin, and then uncrop it, but crop it from here to here. All right, I will select all, move to the top a little, and then go to element. I will type here shadow. I will choose this one. I will move it here, go to edit, choose dual tone, choose custom, and click on the shadow, and I will move it to make it brighter here. Okay, and then I will move it here, go to position, layers, and send it behind the foot of the player. Hit like if you enjoy this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Also, I share some exclusive Canva templates on my Gumroad store. You will find the link in the description. See you soon and have fun with Canva.